This is the story of a train. An ordinary commuter train that leaves Bangkok every morning. For most, a way to get home, to work, or to the next village. For us,
wow. Oh man.
the opportunity to ride into an unknown adventure.
We want to get back on that train.
We didn't know it then, but this railway carries one of the darkest stories in Southeast Asia.
Hello and welcome to Thon Buri station in Bangkok. We stumbled across this station when we were shooting another video, and we're taking this train that you see behind us to a station in Nam Tok. We're gonna see some rural Thailand. We're gonna get out into the sticks. I mean, who doesn't love a train, bro? I love trains. This railway is known as the Death Railway. Why don't you tell me that? Because it was built by prisoners of war, and upwards of 100,000 died in the construction of the railway. And it also goes over the bridge over the River Kwai. Did you ever watch it? There's our train leaving now. Wow, look at it. I mean, this is a movie set. I mean, it's a cheap train. 4.5 hours for what, £2.20? What? 100 baht each way. 100 baht. I can't believe that. We're going to be on a train for 4 hours today. Probably one of the most glorious trains of our life. 100 baht, $2.50. Just look at this train. What a relic. I can't believe Nicky Powis wants to do something where we don't just suffer all day. There is one slight caveat. There's only an hour gap when we arrive and when we need to get the train home. If we miss that train home, we probably miss our flights back home tomorrow. What we have just done is missed the train. How old it is. Go on, off to you. Holy shit. Only thing we're missing here is some food at that market this morning. Listen. Operates the fan. This is going to be the best day ever. This is like unripe mango, so you got a bit of crunch to it, sugar and salt and chilli. Season her up. Oh man, it's good. What else we got? Oh, can I have a Thai tea? I think a good play today is when food comes round, don't say no to it. Oh, they're soft. I wasn't expecting that at all. This one, there's so much going on. Jesus. The thing about Thai tea from chai tea is you really taste that, like the tea leaves in it. Oh wow. This has got some depth. Yeah. That's art. Yeah. That's not a joke. Wow. Okay. In England, snack cart comes round, you get a packaged sandwich that you're paying more than the cost of this train for. And it's trash. Here, oh man, stop playing. Pork skewers, still warm off the grill, and the pièce de résistance, sticky rice. It's a one-up. Teriyaki flavors, soy sauce, sweet, delicious. I'm gonna shit myself. Honestly, I've seen worse.
This train isn't just carrying people, it's carrying livelihoods. Farmers, food vendors and small businesses have all relied on this railway for generations, turning an ordinary commuter service into a moving marketplace.
Every station, vendors just board, sell their wares, and we remain fed and healthy. I mean, what's not to love? Tiny fishbowl, loads of shrimp. Pao is gonna love this. It looks bland, but it's spicy, fishy.
Unfortunately, I'm going to pass on that one. Not the biggest fan of seafood.
Just walk me through the clip-ons for a moment. I've always been a strong proponent of function over form. They may be not the coolest looking sunglasses, but bam! We're now entering much more rural Thailand. Behind you'll see rice paddies, sugarcane plantations and pomelo fields.
The bridge over the River Kwai is one of Thailand's most iconic landmarks. Built during World War II using forced labour from Allied prisoners of war and Asian civilians under brutal conditions. Although not entirely original, it still stands today and is a monument towards human suffering and resilience.
Construction of the Death Railway began in 1942 after the Japanese occupation of Southeast Asia. Built to connect Thailand with Burma, the 415-kilometre railway was constructed in just 16 months, using forced labour of more than 60,000 Allied prisoners of war and an estimated 180 to 250,000 Asian civilians, working in brutal conditions with little food, primitive tools, disease, and a relentless pressure to meet impossible deadlines. Tens of thousands lost their lives, giving the railway the name it is known by today, the Death Railway.
It's not grapefruit. Maybe grapefruit. What is it? Huge citrus fruit that's basically grapefruit's bigger, sweeter cousin. I've never eaten this before. No. It tastes like an orange, but with the segments like huge and bursting and inflated. Look at it. It's sort of just, you can like pull these little segments. That is wild. What's interesting about this is it just breaks apart, doesn't it? It's literally grown in the fields that we're riding past. What's it called? Pomelo. Pomelo. There we go. I like it. Oh, it's good. It's nice. Yeah, that's awesome. This is one of the best train journeys of my life. Hard to beat. It's how exposed you are to culture. You heard of the concept of farm to table, where you've got a restaurant on a farm. This is farm to train. Yeah, it's special. It is special. I mean, look at that. Sugarcane, rice paddies, pomelo, and cassava root. What is this?
Donut and pancake.
Wow, donut and pancake.
Yes,
Let's
one
go,
10
baby.
baht. 10 baht. Wow. Thank you.
That is good.
See if we get into 2.
See if we get him to 2. Come on.
We don't do that here.
He's like, something's wrong with the bus.
It's just so beautiful.
Nam Tokเนี่ยโอ้โห
So it's a wooden trestle bridge. I think this is us, dude. End of the line.
Wow. Right, so the players now, we've got a limited time frame to be able to get to the waterfall and back before the last train leaves here.
20-minute walk each way. We've got 1 hour.
This train 1 p.m.
1 p.m. and that goes to Bangkok.
Yeah, back to Bangkok.
Guess I have to break the news to old Nicky Powis. Oi, Nicky Powis. Old mate in there, lovely chap. Our train
Yeah,
back to Bangkok leaves at 1.
1:05.
What time is it now?
Oh, we arrived late, didn't we?
We did.
It's 12 now.
There's a 3 p.m. train, but it only goes to Kanchanaburi. I just don't think it's worth winging it.
No, it's not. We'll probably miss it. We've got a 100 baht ticket back. Let's just get on it.
Local viewers, of all of the times that I said Kanchanaburi, how many of the times did I get it correct?
This is Nam Tok, the end of the working line of the railway. But the original railway continued far into the mountains and jungle to Burma. Since then, the Thai government has reclaimed the unused steel for more valuable railways, and the jungle took the rest back.
This has been one of the best things I've ever done in Thailand,
Yeah.
without doubt.
Oh, we've got to go out again as well, haven't we, when we get back?
Tonight? No, definitely not. We've got to be... Let's go. So what we have just done is just missed the f***ing train. Do you think we can make the next stop?
I have taxi.
We want to get back on that train. We're idiots.
I see you.
We're f***ing idiots.
Only stop at the Thai lane for car,
Yeah.
half hour, for train 1 hour.
Oh, great. Okay, let's go there then.
Yes, wait moment please. You can go to the toilet first. 5 minutes, the driver coming.
Understood.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are you telling me that these two astute and alert individuals have missed their only train home?
I thought we would have got a bell.
That bell was... We're leaving. 40 minutes to do a 25-minute drive.
It's just a very straightforward hop on, hop off.
Although we did f*** up time and time again in this country, if you're stuck or you don't know where you're going or you're down and out, the locals want to help. She did all the legwork there. The train is going to be at this point at this time. If you miss that, you're going to have to go to Thonburi. She sorted it out. Her brother came and we managed to get on the train. What we're able to see through going on this train and then fucking up was the best that this country has to offer. Exquisite views and excellent hospitality.
We got on this train because it looked like a good adventure, but got off with a genuine fascination for the railway and the people connected to it. It's a reminder that the best trips don't just show you somewhere new, but leave you curious enough to keep learning long after you've gone home.